Hello my pretties, and welcome to the Wizard of Vase. I'm Kim McIsaac, and I'm conjuring up creativity by transforming vases into lamps. Today I wanted to show you one of my DIY home decor ideas for the holidays. What I've created is a delightful lamp kit, and I want to show you how to assemble it at home. So what we have is our cylinder vase, and I've taken some silver sparkly material and affixed it to the back. Then we've got a jar of our fake white sparkly snow. We have a golden reindeer head ornament. All right. We've got our light up lid. It's an LED light here. You just twist and turn it on. And I've repurposed that from a scented candle lid. So I took an old scented candle and I was gonna throw out the lid, but I was like, no, I can reuse that, repurpose it, and it actually fits perfectly on the cylinder. So one more element is I have these DIY hand-poured tea lights that I've started creating. They are unscented, but I will be creating new scents in the new year. So let's get started and I'll show you how to assemble this. So it's really easy. You'll take your vase, you're gonna pour in the snow, like so. There we go. Then we will take our golden reindeer. Put that down. So what I do is I pinch the antlers a bit and I place it inside and just push it all the way down, and then I kind of shake the snow around so it sits uniform. You can see it's looking pretty nice. And then we will take our LED light up lid, pop it on top. Now that looks pretty beautiful. And the other element is adding our tea light on top. So we'll just light it up. Whoop. Didn't like that one. There we go, drop it on top. And there you go. That is the delightful, oh, maybe don't pick it up, it's sliding a little bit. But yeah, you can see how sparkly and beautiful it is. And I'll show you one more element in the dark. All right, so you can see that there, looks pretty good. I will try to pick it up and show you closer as well. So there you go. Perfect. All right, so yes, you can find this lovely lantern on my website, www.thewizardofvase.ca, and I have a variety of other lovely lantern themes on there as well. I'm really pushing my holiday decor because I spent a lot of time creating some fun lanterns with vases. So I hope you check it out and have a great night. Bye now.